Friends, today we're gonna see if a 6.5 Creedmoor round will bust a lock. These are brand new. We just pulled them out of the pack. I'll show you the pack when I get back up there.
How do we open the pack?
They're brand new pack. Oh, we shot a hole in the pack because we didn't have a knife. So,
you think he's kidding?
we're gonna hang it up here in a second, and we're gonna go back. I guess probably right to the other side of the pond there and shoot at it. So this way we're good. But I don't know how we're gonna hang it up yet.
I don't even know.
Seen videos before on YouTube of this, but I've never got to try it in person. So you're gonna get to see me and Scooter try this in person. What is it with your hat, dog?
Huh?
What is it with your hat, dog?
You know, I was going to try and think of a way to stand out in your video so you get more views. So I'm just going to be the guy that has a different hat on in every single video that I'm in. Shut up! People talking during
Well, better not go off over there.
Trying to do my hat intro. I don't know. Alex got it for me for Christmas, and I really like Pokemon stuff. So I'm just going to wear a different crazy hat every single time I'm in one of your videos.
Fair enough.
And if I run out of hats, I guess I ain't going to be in the video.
Fair enough.
Get that off. You got a knife? Did you have a gun?
I have neither. I left it all sitting there on the table. Problematic.
Damn.
Yeah.
It's pushed. There's a bullet that hit it, and it pushed the rope up against it.
Oh.
I can make it work.
Nice.
I can do anything. You can't hit a quarter first time.
No. Well. Hey, friends. If you haven't checked out the video, the quarter video, it was fun. It was fun. That was a fun video to make. We enjoyed that and did it the first time. Got close. We hit it the second time.
I hope Samantha watches that video. In fact, I'm going to send it to her. Make her watch that video, and I hope you put the middle finger in it.
I don't know who Samantha is, friends. I guess Samantha will probably watch it. If he tells her to watch it,
She ain't.
maybe she'll go watch it.
Damn it.
Alright, friends, so we're going to see if hitting this will bust a lock into pieces or not. We want to try something. There's nothing here but cardboard for the back of it, so we're pretty much simulating just a free lock, nothing behind it. So
I don't know if my 3 weights on enough to hit that.
we'll put something behind it later, and we'll try
got
that.
more
We'll try that. Yeah, we got more than one lock. So try it again later.
It's hard to put a hole in the cardboard.
Where'd you lock it? Is it hot? The other pieces down there.
Look, here's the rest of it.
Oh well. So there's what the inside of a master. That's what the inside of a master lock looks like. Zoom. Tap that. This. Tap the. Come on, you. She's not wanting to have it, is she?
Too close.
Oh well. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. That's what the inside of a master lock looks like. Those of you that didn't know. Look at that. Gone. Gone like a freight train. Let's try it with a
308.
Is it on enough?
Well, we'll find out.
What's some pieces you got there?
The top of it.
There's the other pieces that were left in it right there.
You think it'll work, dude?
No, no, no.
Shit.
I'm assuming it ain't gonna lock. It's not gonna lock.
Why is there?
Where'd the bullet hit? That's what I'm wondering.
It's gotta be right there, because that's where it's tore the most. And it, look, it bent that. This is reinforced solid steel.
Very nice.
That's actually where I aimed at too. I didn't want to hit it in the center because I still.
So you're saying you don't know where you're gonna hit?
No, I know where I hit. I tried to hit right here, right where I hit, because I wanted to still try and get the key up in it and turn it.
Yes, he tried to hit where he hit, so he's inaccurate.
But see what happened was.
But you hit it. I mean,
look, it even bent it clean in, so that's where the bullet went in.
That's actually the 50. He didn't shoot it.
all right, cool.
No, that was the 22.
We'll keep our scrap pile going back here.
Dude, I'm telling you.
Carnage.
Soon it'll be a longer way back.
Yeah, so we're gonna try hit the lock again. This time with the 308.
My 308. Martha.
Goofy hat. Let's go.
Don't hate on my hat. I'm gonna find a goofier hat next time. It'll keep you from even being able to talk. I missed.
We let him do the shooting
This thing ain't lasered like my Creedmoor.
because he's a little bit better than I am.
When I mean gone, it's gone. The Creedmoor, the actual hinge was still there. It's not even there.
Awesome. Let's go check that out then.
Unless it's... Check that bottom of it again. I'm not that lasered. Just wasting bullets at this point.
Yeah. Well, there's two 308s clipping it.
This rifle's not been sighted yet. I just bought it, so.
We knew it was close, but we want to see how close, and apparently it's not as close as we need it. So, there's that.